project done by tomorrow. No exceptions. Everyone, please double your effort.
We've been working late every day this week, Morrison. People are exhausted.
I understand, but we really can't miss this deadline. This is impossible. We need more time.
Yeah, I am also doing my best, but I'm falling behind my other tasks. I can't keep up with this pace.
Maurice, can we talk a minute?
Not now, Shirley. We are in crisis mode.
It's important. It's about the team well-being.
5 minutes break.
Maurice, I've received multiple complaints about the workload and the unrealistic deadline. People are burning out.
We don't have choice. The higher ups are demanding results.
But at what cost? Ivan has been showing signs of stress. Adwa is constantly frustrated, and Cordelia is overwhelmed. This environment is toxic, and it's affecting everyone' mental health.
I know it's tough, but what can I do? We can't just stop.
We need to address this before it gets worse. Let's call a team meeting and talk about it openly. Maybe we can find a solution together.
I know things have been tough lately and I have been pushing everyone's hard. But Sherilyn has brought to my attention that this pressure is affecting your mental health. We need to find a way to manage this better.
It's been relentless, Morrison. I can't sleep and I can't constantly stressed.
The constant deadlines are impossible to meet. It feels like we set out to fail.
I feel like I'm drowning into work. I'm scared to make a mistake.
I hear you. We need to find a way to balance the workload. Let's brainstorm some solutions.
How about implementing regular check-in to see how everyone is doing? And maybe we can distribute the tasks more evenly.
We could also set more realistic deadlines and communicate our limits to the higher ups.
And maybe some flexibility with work hours so people can manage their time better.
It will help if we had some mental health resources, like access to counseling or stress management workshop.
These are great ideas. Let's start implementing these changes. I will talk to the higher ups about adjusting our deadlines and getting more support for the team.
And remember, it's important to take care of yourself. If anyone needs to talk, my door is always open.
Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Good morning.
Much better. The check-in and flexible hour have really helped.
I feel like I can really manage my workload now. The stress is still there, but it's more manageable.
For me, the counseling session has been really helpful. I feel more supported.
You've done a great job turning things around, Maurice.
It wasn't just me, it was a team effort. So let's keep this momentum going and make sure we never go back to how things were.